Let's have another example. We have x cosine squared y over x minus y dx plus x dy is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1, y is equal to pi over 4. So, this is first degree, this is first degree, this is first degree. First degree divided by first degree is degree 0. So, parang wala lang siya. Parang constant term lang siya when we talk of degree. So, ibig sabihin, this is simply 1, 1, 1. So, homogeneous tayo. So, ang gagamitin natin, it's either, again, x is equal to qy or y is equal to qx. So, look at this angle. So, if I'm going to use x is equal to qy, magkakaroon tayo ng y over qy. So, magiging 1 over q. So, syempre, we hate or we don't want as much as possible na mayroong denominator. So, ang gagamitin ko is y is equal to qx so that if this is qx divided by x, this becomes q na lang. So, I have to choose y is equal to qx. If y is equal to qx, then dy is q dx plus x dq. Substituting to our given, that gives you x cosine qx over x minus qx dx plus x multiplied by the value of dy, q dx plus x dq. Oh, sorry. This should be cosine squared pala. I forgot the exponent too. So, this gives you x cosine squared q minus qx dx plus qx dx plus x squared dq. Of course, it's equal to 0. Then, this is x cosine squared q dx minus qx dx plus qx dx plus x squared dq is equal to 0. This negative qx and positive qx cancels out, and that gives you x cosine squared q dx plus x squared dq is equal to 0. So now it's ready for variable separable. So, di-divide lang natin siya by x squared kasi hindi siya kailangan dito because we are integrating with respect to q, and hindi natin kailangan si cosine squared q since we are integrating with respect to x. So, dividing that gives you dx over x plus dq over cosine squared q is equal to 0. 1 over cosine is secant. Then dx over x plus secant squared q dq is equal to 0. So, now ready na siya for integration. That's ln of x plus tangent q is equal to c. But what is q? Q is y over x. Substituting gives ln x plus tangent of y over x is equal to c. That will be our answer. That's your general solution pa pala. Meron pala tayong initial condition that when x is equal to 1, y is equal to pi over 4. So let us try to substitute. When x is 1, y is equal to pi over 4. So that gives you ln of 1 plus tangent pi over 4 over 1 is equal to c. ln of 1 is 0. Tangent of pi over 4, so that's tangent of 45, that's 1. So tangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1, then c is equal to 1. So therefore, our answer is ln of x plus tangent y over x is equal to 1. So let's have another example. So we have x minus y arctangent y over x tulad nung kanina. Y over x, so parang wala na lang. So degree 1, degree 1, degree 1. Kasi ito parang wala na lang din. So that is homogeneous. So the answer is 2y arctangent y over x minus x ln c squared plus times x squared plus y squared all over x to the fourth. So again, this was taken from elementary differential equations by Rainville, Bedient, and Bedient. So this is one term lang. So ang pipiliin ko ay y ulit. So let y be equal to beta x. So para iba naman. So dy is equal to beta dx plus x d beta. So that's our substitution. So lahat ng y papalitan natin ng beta x. So this is x minus beta x. Y is beta x. Arctangent beta x over x, because the value of y is beta x, dx plus x arctangent beta x over x multiplied by dy, which is beta dx plus x d beta, is equal to 0. So let us try to distribute first this dx in each term dito sa bracket. So that's x dx minus beta x arctangent of beta, because that x cancels out, dx plus that x cancels out with that x, so matitira is arctangent beta times x times beta is beta x arctangent beta dx plus x squared arctangent beta equals 0. So x times x is x squared arctangent beta d beta is equal to 0. Beta x arctangent beta dx, beta x arctangent beta dx cancels out. So giving you x dx plus x squared arctangent beta is equal to 0. So, ready na siya para sa ating mahiwagang, I forgot the d beta rito pala. So, dapat may d beta. So, kasi, i-multiply siya doon. So, may d beta dapat. So, ready na siya for variable separable. So, arctangent beta, d beta. So, ang hindi mo kailangan is x squared. So, I need to divide this all by x squared. So, giving you dx over x plus arctangent beta, d beta is equal to 0. Then, integrate natin. So, this is simply ln of x. And then, this one is using integration by parts. So, let u be equal to arctangent beta, then du is d beta over 1 plus beta squared. D beta is equal to dv, then v is equal to beta. So, by integrating both sides. So, sa integration by parts, integral of u dv is uv minus integral of v du. Substituting to the formula, that gives u times v. U is arctangent beta, v is beta, so that's beta arctangent beta minus integral of v. Your v is beta and du is d beta over 1 plus beta squared. So is equal to integral of 0 is c. So that's ln of x plus beta arctangent beta minus integral of beta d beta over 1 plus beta squared. If I'm going to set this be my u, the derivative is 2 beta d beta. So I need to provide 2 and then compensate with 1/2 so that this becomes your du and this is your u. So that gives you negative 1/2 ln of 1 plus beta squared is equal to c. So this, pag minultiply natin lahat by 2, magiging 2 ln x plus 2 beta arctangent beta minus ln 1 plus beta squared is equal to, pwede nating lagyan ng ln c. Kasi may ln, may ln, may ln. So, pwede natin pagsamasamahin lahat ng may ln. So, this is 2 beta arctangent beta is equal to ln c minus 2 ln x plus ln 1 plus beta squared. So, 2 beta arctangent beta is equal to si ln c, transposing that 2 ln x on the left, it becomes minus 2 ln x, transposing this negative ln 1 plus beta squared to the right pala, hindi pala siya left, transposing to the right becomes positive. So that negative becomes positive when transposed to the right side of the equation. So simplifying further, that's arctangent beta equals ln c minus ln x squared, because that coefficient magiging exponent lang ni x squared using property of logarithm, plus ln 1 plus beta squared. That's 2 beta arctangent beta is equal to ln of c times 1 plus beta squared over x squared. Since kapag ka minus, nasa ilalim lang. Pagka plus, pinagmumultiply natin yung c and 1 plus beta squared. Again, using property ng logarithm. Kapag ka plus, pinagta-times. Pag minus, na-i-over natin. So again, ang ginamit nating rule, ln A plus ln B is ln AB. ln A minus ln B is ln A over B. So, pagka naka-minus, inilalagay lang natin sa ilalim yung letter B. So, kung ln of x squared, so this will represent the B, so lalagay lang natin siya sa denominator. So, let us try to simplify this further. Sabi dito, ang nakuha natin is 2 beta arctangent of beta is equal to ln c times 1 plus beta squared over x squared. But then again, from our substitution, y is equal to beta x. So then beta is equal to y over x. So let us try to substitute. Beta is y over x. So that's 2 y over x arctangent y over x is equal to ln c times 1 plus y over x squared over x squared. So this now gives you 2y over x arctangent y over x is equal to ln c times 1 plus y squared over x squared all over x squared. So again, meron tayong LCD dun sa numerator. So this is 2y arctangent y over x. Cross multiplying, yung x pupunta dun sa mumultiply natin kay ln of c times the quantity. LCD is x squared plus y squared all over x squared. So, multiplying this numerator by the reciprocal, di ba may over 1 yun? So, magiging 2y arctangent y over x is x ln of c times x squared plus y squared over x to the 4th. So, that will be our general solution. So, let us try to check. So, sabi dun sa libro, ang sagot daw is 2y arctangent y over x is equal to x ln of c x squared plus y squared all over x to the 4th. So, that will be our answer.